Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile with you. Got another unboxing, and this is the iFi Zen Dac Air. This is a new series from iFi. They have, I believe, 3 products in this line. They've got a funnel preamp as well as a Bluetooth streamer, and this comes in at just under $100. So I was very curious to see how well this does. It is a DAC with a built-in headphone amplifier, and I picked it up for 3 reasons. First one is I've never heard an iFi product before, so I'm curious to hear them, and this one came in at the right price point for me. The regular Zen Dac is $189. This is a little bit out of my price range, at least right now. Maybe someday I'll pick that up. The second reason is to film a review of it. I thought that would be a good thing to do. And finally, I'm hoping to maybe clean up my desk just a little bit, because right now I have a separate DAC and headphone amp, and that's okay, but it does take up some space on my desk and does create some clutter. And really, I don't use my headphone amplifier that much. So if this one has a decent headphone amplifier in it, I'll just use it instead. So here we have pretty easy box to open up. No taper in anything. Packing materials. That just slid right off. Okay, there's the air. We'll do that last. Feels pretty light. I'm guessing this is power supply. Well, power cord at least, or a cord at least. Here you got your A to B USB cable. This is like what you find on a printer. Pretty large, but they work and they are sturdy. More materials here. Here is the unit itself, and it is made out of metal, I do believe. I'm wondering if this is bus powered, because I do not see a power supply. Oh no, that's plastic, but that's metal. So a plastic casing there, metal front and back. This headphone jack is, I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. It feels like it's mounted crooked, but this front fascia is at an angle, so maybe that's why. Interesting design. Not loving the plastic case, but it feels fairly sturdy. I do like kind of the goldish colored knob here. It's not, it's fake, you know. I think it's metal, but that's, you know, inexpensive metal there. Okay, do we have a power supply? Well, it must be bus powered. I thought that I saw a power. Seems like there is a power button there, but maybe it doesn't need it. That doesn't instill a lot of confidence in me for the headphone amp, but like I said, I don't use headphones that often on my desktop, so it's not really a big deal. But yeah, that is the iFi Zen Dac Air coming in at $100. I will review this unit and post that as soon as, oh, there we go. Oh, peeled that off. I don't know if that was really worth it or not. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching this video. Hope that you have a great day, and remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap.